I will talk about how can you find your profile frames on your NovelToon app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on mine down here, you just click on it. When you just click here on mine, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on my profile frames here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you select your frames here in this list. So you just click on it and you click here on go collect here. So then it's going to here it's going to collect with you. But if you have this niveau here, when you get this so this step, can you collect your here your farms. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.